Hello everyone, Trey Cool here. Today we're going to show you how to use a washing machine. Yep, this is how you use a washing machine. If you don't know, then you get the help. Let's get started. First, if you have your clothes, you put them in there. So you put them in there, and if your washing machine is full, then you may stop. Next, we're gonna add this. If you have this at home, then you could try it. It's totally empty right now. So next you need a special thing. It's called bleach. This will help the clothes make even cleaner. So there's so many of these, but this is the one that matters. Now, next, there's special soap. What should I use? Subscribe if you think I should use this. Like if I should use this. You have 3 seconds to choose. 3, 2, 1, done. Okay, I think this is it. I think this is the correct one. So let's put it in there. Put this in here until you see the max. If you see the max, make sure to put a little bit if you see max. If you see Ashley max. So, next, shut the door. Next, shut the door. Okay, so anyways, anything is good. So, you press the on button, and you could choose either quick wash or anything. But I decided to use this one. There's many kinds that you could use. You could change the temperature, you could change spins, you could change soil level. Change to heavy or light. I'd rather choose heavy. So, should we do extra? Like and subscribe, and if I should do extra rinse, we should do extra rinse. So after you got it. After you totally got it, you press the on button. You press the start button. So, and that's the dryer. So, I hope you like this video, but I have an extra couple questions. So, if you like me, like and subscribe. And like and subscribe if you love your family. And like and subscribe if you love God. And don't forget, like and subscribe if you love Santa. If you don't like and subscribe, that means you don't love any of them. I really love them. So, this is your candy cane dance, candy cane dance, candy cane dance, candy cane dance. Oh yeah, that's the candy cane dance. I am Joe Cool, but my name is Trey Cool. So anyways, see you later and catch you later. Adios. And by the way, this number right here is a number 10. And another, by the way, you can see this on the board. And you could change this to 30. Oh, sorry about that. It was the Burger King song. So, if your thing is if your clothes is dirty, put it here. If your clothes are clean, put it in the cleaning. But if you only have this, then if you don't have it, go to Amazon or Amazon.com because you can only see this. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like Mr. Beast and Ryan's World and Nathia. So hope you have a good day. See ya. Bye.